आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
So now it is said in the above figure, triangle PQR is a right angle triangle with the right angle at P. Line segment PS is an altitude, PQ is 9 and PR equals to 12. What is the area of triangle PQS? Right? So we are going to find the area of the triangle PQS that is given here. Okay, this is the area of the triangle that we need to find. So for that, we know the area of a triangle is half into height into base. So for triangle PQS, it is half into QS into PS, because the other side, which is opposite to 90 degree, is PQ, which is the hypotenuse. So it is neither the height neither the base. So now we have to find line segment PS is an altitude, PQ equals to 9 and PR equals to 12. So for triangle PQR, right? For triangle PQR, applying the Pythagoras theorem. So let's write it down as PT. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square for a triangle that is given by, say, this is the hypotenuse, these are the other two sides, A and B. So hypotenuse square will be the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Okay. So for triangle PQR, hypotenuse is the side opposite to the 90 degrees. So for here, QR is our hypotenuse, right? So QR square will be equal to PQ square plus PR square. PQ square plus PR square. So QR square is, once again, PQ square is 81, 9 square is 81 and 12 square is 144. So that gives you an answer of 225, which is a perfect square of 15. So QR here equals to 15, right? So now we know the value of QR. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to apply trigonometric identities to this triangle, both these triangles PQR and PQS, to find out the value of PS and QS. How do we do that? Let's see. So sine Q for triangle PQR will be, if we are considering Q as an angle, then the line or the segment which contains the angle Q other than the hypotenuse will be the base, and the other side will be the height. So for sine Q in PQR, the height is 12. So 12 by 15. Now the sine Q value will not be changed. It will be not be changing. It will be constant for both the triangles. Okay. So now what is the value of sine Q in triangle PQS? Whatever that value will be, that will be equal to the value of sine Q in PQR, because sine Q value will remain constant throughout. So we can write it down as 12 by 15 will be equal to sine Q here will be PS by PQ. Okay. So PS by PQ is 9, right? So that will give you a value for PS as 36 by 5, right? So we have found out the value of PS. Now what we need to do? We need to find out the value of QS. For that, what we are going to use? We are going to use cos Q as our reference. Cos Q value will remain constant. So cos Q in triangle PQR is, you see, 9 by 15. That will be equal to the cos Q value of triangle PQS, which is once again QS by 9. So QS by 9. And from here you get the value of QS as 27 by 5. Now we have the value of PS and QS. We simply need to calculate this to find out the value of the area of PQS. So area, if we write it down, area will be half into 36 by 5 into 27 by 5. And 36 is divided by 2 will give you 18. So that will be 18 into 27 by 25. And if you calculate that, that gives you an answer of 19.44 square units, which is the area of this particular triangle.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।